The 2024 Hyundai Tucson offers a new experience of adventure and comfort. Here are the pros and cons of this vehicle. Pros: comfortable ride, smooth handling and comfortable front seats make long journeys enjoyable. Standard technology and driver assistance features. There's plenty of standard technology and driver assistance features that offer value for money. Spacious interior. The spacious interior and comfortable front seats provide a comfortable experience for passengers. Generous warranty. Hyundai's long warranty period gives owners confidence. Cons: lazy acceleration. The base 2.5-liter engine can be a bit slow to accelerate. Distracting touch controls. The touch controls on the center console can be distracting to use. Hybrid fuel economy. Compared to its rivals, the hybrid version has slightly lower fuel economy. This fun SUV combines driving pleasure and modern features. Consider this information when deciding which features are important to you. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson offers different engine options. Here are the engine options for this vehicle. 2.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine. This engine can produce 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. It has enough power for city and highway driving, but may lag behind some rivals when it comes to acceleration, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid engine. This hybrid power unit combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engine producing 226 horsepower with an electric motor. In total, it produces 226 horsepower to 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid engine, plug-in version. The same engine combined with a more powerful electric motor. It produces a total of 261 horsepower too. These engine options are varied to suit different driving needs and preferences. You can choose by considering which engine is most suitable for you. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson is a very well-equipped vehicle in terms of safety. Here are the safety features of this vehicle. Anti-blocking brake system, ABS. This system helps the vehicle turn better by allowing the wheels to turn in case of excessive braking. Stability control. Detects when the vehicle is exceeding its limits and reduces engine power or uses selected brakes to prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. Front impact airbags. Designed for the driver and passenger, the front airbags protect the head in the frontal area. Side impact airbags. Designed for the front and rear seats, side airbags protect the body in side collisions. Roof airbags protect the head of occupants in the event of a side impact or rollover. Seat belt tensioners automatically tighten seat belts in the event of a collision, returning the passenger to the best seating position. Security system. The vehicle is equipped to anticipate and/or detect unwanted vehicle entry. It also has an ignition deactivation device that prevents starting the engine if the correct original manufacturer key is not used. These safety features are designed to enhance your driving safety. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson offers a fun and safe driving experience. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson performs quite well in terms of average fuel consumption. However, this value may vary depending on the engine option, driving conditions, and driving habits. Here are some estimated fuel consumption figures. City, an average fuel consumption of 10-12 liters, 100 kilometers expected. Out of city, an average fuel consumption of 7 to 9 liters, 100 kilometers is expected. Combined, city plus ex-city. Average fuel consumption is expected to be between 8 to 10 liters, 100 kilometers. Hyundai has meticulously crafted its brand around delivering exceptional value and maximum affordability. However, we contend that the often overlooked element contributing significantly to the brand's popularity is its innovative design philosophy. From the sleek Sonata a decade ago to the distinctive Veloster hatchback with its quirky, swept-back design, Hyundai's design prowess stands out as a crucial factor alongside its abundant features and competitive pricing. In the realm of compact SUVs, the 2024 Hyundai Tucson represents a notable leap forward in design. The Hyundai Tucson not only offers substantial value for your money, but also ensures a comfortable ride with a wealth of technological features. Its upscale-feeling cabin and spacious cargo area add a touch of luxury to the overall driving experience. Despite these merits, a notable drawback surfaces in the form of a sluggish engine, struggling to keep pace with the flow of traffic when acceleration is required. Nevertheless, the Tucson remains a considerate choice for those seeking a well-thought-out small SUV.